Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to unlock your iCloud easily and fast, okay? So I'm just a quick video here. Let me close the application. How do you see is iOS 13.5.1. iPhone 7, okay guys? Let's go. So little step. There you go, and my disk right here. Apple right here. This iPhone all iPhone is locked in here, okay guys? It's a locked. But today I'm gonna show you his method to unlock it. And fast. Let's start with this, okay? Firstly, iPhone 7 black. And I just start here. So let's wait. Let's go. So move them back. Press again. Press again. You see? Next. Continuing. As you see? Done. As you see here? Correctly. Okay? The first phone. So set up later. Then use a passcode. Let's go, gonna do it. Good. Unlock it successful. Now let's do in this other iPhone. Okay. Sorry. Just to keep my camera. I was connecting the USB cable. Okay guys, don't forget this. Well, let's do it. Gonna go here and pass again. Yes, say done. Forget this. I'll open again. If you see that message, don't worry. Okay, just to get in here. Okay, task managers. We're coming over here and go searching for iProx. I just say lucky we found iProx here and task manager. We're gonna go do again. After this, we're gonna wait, okay? Just to wait to see the magic is happening. Okay, it's doing the job. Okay. Now I just see this is another iPhone. Okay, this model you see, the iPhone 7, the 2 GB, iOS 13.5. Oh, ready. Let's go there. Let's go here to see. Everything's working perfectly. Let's go. Unlock is done. Good, perfect, guys. This is amazing and an easy method to unlock your iCloud to use your iPhone, guys. Easy method. Let's go. Let's go to menu. To tap later. Continuing. Sharp development. Continue again. Continue and get started. As you see, the second iPhone is ready. Now let's go for iPhone S. Okay, as you see here, I take it up here and okay, don't worry about this. Don't worry. It's nothing. I close this program. We're gonna see here. It's here, okay? 2 GB, iOS 13.5.1. We're gonna open again the program. After open, we're gonna click here After the message, we're gonna go here on task managers. Okay, don't forget task managers, and find the iProcs. We have just 2 iProcs open here. I just see right here. You're gonna just end a task and end a task again. Alright, we're gonna now press to bypass iCloud. As you see, the iPhone is unlocked. We're gonna wait for this iPhone too. We need to open this iPhone 5. I'm sorry, iPhone SE, okay? Gonna wait for a little minutes, a little second, because this method don't take many time, because it's a very fast, you know that. Well, let's go see here. Bypass is done. If I get in here to refresh, look so. Refresh it and amazing. Let's hold here too, just to set up again. Next, and the continue. Let's go. Done, guys. Everything good. I'm ready to unlock this device. Thank you guys for watching this video today. I was here to show you that amazing video to how to bypass your device. Okay, how to unlock your iCloud to use normally your device. Okay guys, any question, if you wanna try do that method and then you have some question, just make it or keep your comments right there to below. I will find our answer after this. Okay guys, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and keep you like amazing. Okay guys, thank you now. Bye.